Guys, this is my 1991 300ZX, and I have a couple of things that bother me about the car. Okay, maybe more than one thing, but I'm gonna be dealing with one of these problems today. This is my current shifter. It's kind of limp. This is a short shifter you can buy designed for the 300ZX for $40. It's just more satisfying to shift into gears, because right now it just doesn't feel like I don't feel any resistance, and I'm just not jiving with it. So we're gonna install this, and then it should take care of the problem and make my shifts feel that much better. I'm 90% sure that I'm gonna have to take this bezel off to gain access to here. So why don't we get started? There's two screwdrivers here. You can pop this one out, and you'll see two more right there. Just as such. That slots out. Be careful, guys, because there are some connectors down here at the bottom. That'll get the job done for now. See, there are upper and lower shift boots. I'm basing it off of what I'm seeing on the forum, so hopefully, I'm not too stupid. Now, obviously, don't be like me and just start unscrewing things. It's really good to just go online and read how to do this. If you knew how to do this from the start, you probably wouldn't have any issues. Nice and easy there. That's usually, you feel there's tightness here, like how this resistance is. I have to kind of fight it. This is just because I have no bushings. It doesn't keep it in the middle, you know what I'm saying? Oh, these are 12s too. Shit, sick. Yeah. Oh, damn. I'm gonna clean this for sure. Alright. God for Japan for making everything a freaking 12 mil. Shout out to them. Okay, guys, I just got this. So I grabbed my really tiny wrench, and I had to shimmy it under. You're gonna scrape your hands if you have big hands, so best of luck. But I got it to the point where I could just do this really slightly under there. So I got it a little loose, so I'm just gonna try to figure it out. Okay, that took me way too long. These two little boys with a washer connect right under where the shifting bushings are supposed to be. And now we should be able to just pull this out. Boom! Old shifter out. And you can see there were no shifter bushings in there. Okay, guys, I know my camera battery died and I couldn't finish, but basically all you gotta do from there on out is just put everything back. The short shifter is in, and oh my gosh, it feels leagues better. If you guys remember from the very start when we were shooting, how much, look at that. It returns to center now. There's a lot of resistance, so that's good. And the shifts are for sure shorter. Reverse is a little bit tough to get into, I think. Yeah, there you go. But that is a good install right there. General. So we're gonna go for a quick drive. Hopefully this camera mount doesn't die, but I won't be driving hard anyway. I did drop my 10 mil down there, or no, my 12 mil. I dropped it down there, so hopefully it falls out because it's just hanging on my exhaust right now. So let's go. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff to the car now that I have a plan. I know what kit I want. I'm going to lower the car, make it look nice, paint the car, all that extra stuff. But until then, enjoy. Deuces.